Yes, Pete, very good morning to all of you. So we are going to start with the revision of the third chapter of the revision test. Na? So rest of the chapters we have revised. This is the last chapter for the first revision test. And I think tomorrow is your revision test. Tomorrow is your revision test, I think, है ना? तो जितना हम कर सकेंगे probability करेंगे आज, जितना कर सकेंगे, right? So I am starting with the probability, the small topic of the chapter. जो रह जाएगा उसको फिर second revision test के बाद जो day बचेंगे, in those days we will revise, right? So probability, let us start with the definition. It is the chance of occurrence of an event. What is probability? It is a chance of occurrence of an event. Yes, Chant? Chant, any doubt?
Revision test will be in Google form or PDF?
Revision test will be in PDF form.
Ma'am, we have to send you PDF after doing
Yes,
the test.
yes, definitely. I will write in the group today the instructions. You have to send me. Okay, on my personal number, not in the group. So it is a chance of occurrence of an event. So suppose E is an event and we want to find its probability. What is the formula for that? Probability of an event, this is equal to number of favorable cases over total number of cases. Right? Number of favorable cases over total number of cases. This is the formula for the probability of an event. Then we have done sample space, definition of sample space. Sample space. What is sample space? It is denoted by S. It is the collection of all the possible outcomes. Collection of all the possible outcomes. हमारे पास किसी experiment की जितनी भी possible outcomes होती हैं, when we collect them, we got the sample space of the experiment. Whatever outcomes we are having for an experiment, when we collect them, we got sample space of the experiment. So we did the sample space in so many cases. We did the sample space in the case of coin. We did the sample space in case of dice. And we did the sample space in case of cards, 52 cards, pack of a card, right? So let us revise those sample space firstly, then we will do the questions, right? Sample space when a coin is tossed one. Coin is tossed once. So you know when we do the toss with the help of the coin, only two possible outcomes are there. It can result either in head or tail. So what are the possible outcomes in the sample space? It is H and T. When a coin is tossed once. When the coin is tossed twice. When the coin is tossed twice, how to write the sample space? Pick this H. With this H, join H as well as T. Pick the second member T, join H and join T. So I told you how to recall it, how to speak it in the rhythmic form. HH, HT, TH, TT. So how you will learn it? HH, HT, TH, TT. अदरवाइज तो 2 तक का तो आपको लर्न करना चाहिए, राइट? 2 तक वाले का तो आपको लर्न करना चाहिए. 1 वाले के लिए H and T and 2 वाले के लिए HH, HT, TH, TT. एंड 3 के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? 2 वाले से ही हम 3 को जनरेट करते हैं. सो व्हेन ए कॉइन इज टॉस्ड थ्राइस, देन स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट आउटकम, इसके साथ H और इसके साथ T लगा. ठीक है, starting with the second outcome, place H and place T. Starting with the third outcome, place H and place T. So this is the sample space when a coin is tossed thrice. Once में HT, second वाले को भी learn कर लो HH, HT, TH, TT. And for third वाले के लिए you take one outcome of the second, join H, join T. Second outcome, join H, join T. Third outcome, join H, join T. And sorry, fourth हमने किया ही. Fourth outcome, joining H and joining T. This is the sample space when a coin is tossed 3 times or 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, right? This is the way to write the sample space. 1 mark में sample space लिखना आ सकता है, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए when a coin is tossed once कौन सी entries आएंगी, when a coin is tossed twice what entries will be there, and when a coin is tossed thrice how many entries and which entries will be there. Here there are total 2 entries, here are 4 entries, and here total 8 entries. Right, now let us do the sample space when dice is thrown. When a dice is thrown, sample space is consisting of 6 numbers from 1 to 6. This is the sample space when a dice is thrown. Sample space when a dice is thrown. 1 से लेके 6 तक के नंबर आपके पास sample space में. ठीक है? Then we are having 52 cards of a pack of cards. 52 cards in a pack of cards are there, which are categorized into 2 categories. 26 are red and 26 are black. Somil is there? Somil, just raise your hand if you are there. I think Somil is not attending the class today. He's not in the class. Jabji, you sent the attendance today, right? Somil is not in the class. Jabji got. Okay. Chaliye. So 52 cards in a pack of cards categorized into 2 categories, 26 red and 26 black cards. 26 red cards are further categorized into 2 categories. 13 hearts and 13 diamonds. Hearts, सबको पता है. We use it to be like this. Diamond, इसको कि हम ईट का पत्ता बोलते हैं, like this, right? 26 black are further categorized into 2 categories. 13 spade and 13 clubs. Spade, we call it to be चिड़िया का पत्ता ऐसा होता है. Clubs, हुक्म का, like this, right? And I told you that जिस महल में कार्ड्स के सारे किंग, सारे क्वींस और सारे जैक्स इकट्ठे होके रहते हैं, इन केस ऑफ कार्ड्स दैट महल इज नोन एज फेस कार्ड्स. सो फेस कार्ड्स दे कंसिस्ट ऑफ 4 kings, 4 queens plus 4 jacks. 4 king, 4 queen and 4 jacks. They are known as face cards. Right? Then in a pack of cards, we know that there are aces. A जिसको हम बोलते हैं. There are 4 aces in a pack of cards. So this is what you have to learn in the probability, that what are the sample spaces and all that. Then we have done certain observation regarding probability कि किसी भी इवेंट की probability कम से कम 0 और ज्यादा से ज्यादा 1 हो सकती है, या फिर 0 और 1 के बीच में हो सकती है. Probability of an event lies between 0 and 1. Minimum probability is 0, maximum probability is 1. दैट मीन्स अगर आपका प्रोबेबिलिटी का आंसर -2 आया, इट मीन्स यू आर डूइंग इट रॉन्गली. अगर आपका प्रोबेबिलिटी का आंसर 3 आया, इट मीन्स यू आर डूइंग इट रॉन्गली, राइट. प्रोबेबिलिटी का आंसर आपका 0 से कम और 1 से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता. दिस इज यू कैन से रेंज ऑफ द प्रोबेबिलिटी. ठीक है. देन वी डिड श्योर इवेंट. व्हाट इज श्योर इवेंट? श्योर इवेंट मींस विच इज सर्टेन टू हैपन, जिसने होना ही होना है. श्योर इवेंट जैसे टुडे इज ट्यूसडे. ट्यूसडे इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय वेडनेसडे. इट इज श्योर इवेंट. ट्यूसडे के बाद आपके पास हमेशा वेडनेसडे आएगा. ट्यूसडे के बाद कभी संडे आता है? नेवर, राइट. सो यू कैन से देयर आर 12 months in a year, that is a sure event. There are 7 days in a week, that is a sure event. ठीक है. So probability of sure event is, sure event की probability is always equal to 1. जिस event ने occur करना ही करना है, जिसकी probability 100% है, उसको हम numerically 1 के equal mark करते हैं. Probability is equal to 1. Sure event की probability 1. Now I will talk about impossible event. Impossible event, which is not possible at all. There are 13 months in a year. Can it happen? 13 months in a year हो सकते हैं? Never. It can't happen. ना? It couldn't happen. So you can say there are 8 days in a week. There are 2 Sundays in a week. Is it possible? Otherwise, so we want that there should be 2-3 Sundays in a week, but it is not possible. These are impossible events. As the chances of their occurrence is no chance of their occurrence is there. So probability of impossible event, we take it to be 0. Right? So these are certain things which you have to remember before doing probability exercise. So let us start with the exercise. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 स्टार्ट करते हैं. When a dice is thrown, what is the probability? When a dice is thrown, what is the probability of the following events? When a dice is thrown, what is the probability of following events? First is, सबसे पहले तो आप sample space लिख लो. When a dice is thrown, we are having this element, these elements in the sample space. 1 to 6 हम सबने लूडो खेली हुई है, हमें पता है 1 to 6 ही नंबर्स आते हैं जब हम डाई को थ्रो करते हैं. 7 किसी की डाई में नहीं होता, 10 किसी डाई में नहीं होता, राइट. What is the probability of getting a prime number? Probability of getting prime number. First of all, you will write the formula. Number of favorable cases over total cases. पेपर में साइड पे आप लाइन लगा के फेवरेबल केसेस लिख लो. प्राइम नंबर को कौन कौन फेवर कर रहा है? Which numbers are prime out of this? Prime number are those number which are having only 2 factors, 1 and itself. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5. ये एंट्रीज हैं. So number of possible cases is 3. Favorable cases is 3. Total is 6. And in probability you have to do the cutting by all means. So आप इसकी cutting करो. This is one. Probability of getting prime number. Next is probability of getting not a prime number. Not a prime. यहाँ पे अपने favorable cases लिखो. Not a prime. कौन कौन prime नहीं है? 1, 4 and 6. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Right ना? So we'll take it to be 1, 4 and 6. So favorable cases is 3, total is 6, probability is 1/2. Not a prime. Next is probability of getting a number greater than 5. Next part. Probability of getting a number greater than 5. You see in this list, how many numbers are there which are greater than 5? Only one number is there. only 6 is there, so your favorable case is 6. कुछ बच्चे यहाँ पे 6 लिख देते हैं. No, this is the value of the favorable case. Number of the favorable case कितना बना? Only 1. So favorable cases is 1. Total is 6. Next is a number not greater than 5. Not greater than 5. Find the probability that a number should not greater than 5. Probability of a number not greater than 5. जब हम not greater than 5 कहते हैं तो इसका मतलब 5 से बड़ा नहीं लेना. अगर तो उसने बोला था less than 5 तो हम 5 को भी ना लेते. उसने बोला not greater than 5. It should not be greater than 5. So कौन से केसेस आएंगे? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. क्योंकि 5 जो है वो भी 5 से बड़ा नहीं है. 5 के इक्वल है. We have not to take those numbers which are greater than 5. 5 से बड़े हो जो, तो यहाँ पे 5 भी ले लेंगे क्योंकि 5 के इक्वल है. 5 से बड़ा नहीं है. तो फेवरेबल केसेस 5, टोटल 6. दिस इज आंसर. Come to question number 4. Fourth question. There are numbers on the slips from 1 to 10. एक सैंपल स्पेस हो गया कि हमारे पास जितनी भी स्लिप्स हैं उन पे ये नंबर्स लिखे. One to 10 numbers, they are written on the slips. क्या फाइंड करना है हमने? फर्स्ट पार्ट इज find the probability that a number is of getting a number 6. Probability of getting 6. अब आप खुद देखो पूरी लिस्ट में से आपको कितनी ऐसी स्लिप्स हैं जिसपे 6 लिखा दिख रहा है. Only one slip is there. So favorable case is 1. Total are 10. 1 by 10. ठीक है. Next is find the probability of getting a number less than 6. Less than 6. 6 से कम जो नंबर है, less than 6 की अगर हम बात करें तो अब देखो less than 6 कौन कौन से नंबर हैं? ये सारे less than 6 हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these are less than 6. So favorable cases कितने बने? 5. Total 10. This is 1 by 2. Next is probability of getting a number greater than 6. Greater than 6. सिक्स से बड़ा कौन कौन से नंबर 6 से बड़े आपको इस पूरी लिस्ट में लग रहे हैं? 7, 8, 9 and 10. They all are greater than 6. So कितने नंबर बने? 1 हमें चाहिए greater than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 such numbers which are greater than 6. So favorable cases will be 4. Total is we are already having 10. We have to do cutting. This is 2 by 5. Then getting a one digit number, probability of getting a one digit number. You see in the whole list, पूरी list देखो numbers की. इसमें से कितने numbers हैं जो 1 digit हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers are there which are one digit number. 10 is a two digit number. So favorable cases to this event, it will go with 9. 9 such numbers are there which are one digit. So favorable is 9, total is 10. 9 by 10 is the answer. Favorable is 9, total is 10. 9 by 10. Question number 5th. Fifth question is, if you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, there are 3 green sectors in a spinning wheel, 1 blue sector, 1 blue sector, spinning wheel pe 3 green, 1 blue sector is there, 1 red sector. So पहले तो total find करो. Total कितने sector हुए? Total there are 5 sectors. Total 5 sectors are there on a spinning wheel, out of which 3 are green, 1 is blue and 1 is red. ठीक है? So हम देखें जरा हमें find कौन-कौन सी probabilities find करनी है. First is, what is the probability of getting green sector? Green sector. So you see in the green sector, how many you can say outcomes are favoring to green sector? Green sector के साथ कितनी outcomes associated है? There are 3 green sectors. So favorable cases will be 3, and total we have given it is 5. This is probability of getting green sector. Then what is the probability of getting non-blue sector? Probability of non-blue. Non-blue का मतलब क्या हुआ? Non-blue means blue को छोड़ के बाकी सारे ब्लू नहीं होने चाहिए, ठीक है ना? तो मैंने ब्लू वाले को क्रॉस कर दिया, ये नहीं मुझे लेने. आई नीड नॉन ब्लू. I should not have blue color in my selection, right? So there are 3 green and 1 red. Total कितने बने? 3 plus 1, 4. So favorable cases for non blue is 4 and total is 4. Had it been the non red sector, अगर आ जाए हमें non red sector, नॉन रेड मीन्स आपने रेड वाले को हटा देना. दिस इज 1 ब्लू. रिमूव दिस रेड. नॉन रेड, ग्रीन एंड ब्लू. सो देयर आर 4 केसेस अगेन, राइट? कुछ भी घुमा फिरा के मतलब पूछा जा सकता है. नॉन ग्रीन, नॉन रेड, रेड एंड ग्रीन ओनली, ब्लू एंड रेड ओनली. तो जैसे भी लिखा होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू आंसर, राइट? एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 देखो. लुक एट एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3. There are 4 red balls and 2 yellow balls. 4 red balls and 2 yellow balls are there. A ball is drawn from the bag. What is the probability that drawn bag is ball is of red color? तो पहले तो टोटल देखो आप. टोटल आपका क्या बन रहा है? 6 balls total. Probability of getting red ball. फेवरेबल रेड के लिए कितने हैं? 4. रेड को कितने फेवर कर रही है? रेड बॉल्स कितनी है? 4 एंड टोटल आर 6. 2/3. What is the probability of getting yellow ball? Yellow balls are 2. 1/3. Let us do some question based on cards. There are total 52 cards in a pack of cards. तो आपके total cases तो हमेशा 52 हम कहेंगे लेंगे. मैं अब अपने आप क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करूंगी. Probability of getting red card. बता सकते हो रेड कार्ड के लिए फेवरेबल कितने होंगे? How many favorable for red card? Anyone? Raise your hand. Hurry up, come forward and let me know. How many red cards are there? Amarjot is willing to tell the answer. Yes, Amarjot, you can tell. Yes, Amarjot, speak up.
Ma'am, 26/52.
बिल्कुल ठीक. Red cards are 26/52 and this is 1/2. Similarly, black card is also 26/52. Right? Suppose I'm writing second. Find the probability of getting red king. That means king of red color. In a pack of cards, there are 4 kings. You know, 4 kings are there. You already did it. 2 are red and 2 are black. So what is the favorable cases to red king? 2 red king. कुछ भी आ सकता है आपको. अगर आ जाए probability of getting face card. Face card. Anyone? Favorable cases to face card. Come forward, hurry up. Again, Amarjot is there. Anyone else? Jian, can you tell me how many face cards? Face cards के लिए कितने favorable cases होंगे? Jian. Jian, unmute yourself. Jian. Kritika, you tell. Kritika. Amarjot, no of your class it is going to tell. ना आपका ही hand raise है. जप्पू जी आई है बताने के लिए. जप्पू जी से पूछते हैं. हाँ जी जप्पू जी, you tell.
Ma'am, 3/26.
Face card.
12/52.
Face card.
12/52.
What are the face cards? जप्पू जी face
King,
card
queen. King, queen, jack.
कितने होते हैं टोटल?
मैम probability है इसकी 12/52.
Total cards, total face cards are 12. 4 king, 4 jacks, 4 queen. तो favorable 12 हो गए. Total is 52. Do the cutting. Total face cards are 12. कृतिका आपने गलत बोला था. टोटल फेस कार्ड 12 होते हैं. इसका मतलब आपको पता ही नहीं है. Remember it. The total face cards are 12 and in a pack of cards there are 52 cards. So 3/13. We'll continue tomorrow, right? कल फिर से थोड़ा सा जो probability का रह गया वो कर लेंगे.